so much information here. There's so many fantastic people. I've decided to call Adam Moses because he's leading me to the promised land.
I think my parents are doing really well with Reliable, and when I see them I feel so happy that they finally found something they can work on together.
It's profit, profit, profit. I love this particular seminar.
So I was actually hired to film at the last summit in Melbourne. 2 months later I joined up.
The community, the sharing, I think that's really genuine. Here you feel like you're being part of a family. I've been through many summits and conferences, but it's nothing like this.
I just love everybody. Everybody's just so inspiring. They're just speaking the truth and being honest and being caring and just wanting to give.
I spent 10 years organizing conferences and events in the US and Europe, and I've sat through 2 days of this event and I feel so invigorated. It's super comprehensive and that right balance between fun and real.